Welcome! Let us draw this cheerful two-story house together, step by step. We follow the lines as they show up on screen. Roof first, then little crosses, then walls and windows, then round shapes and the chimney, then big boxes, and last we add bright colors. Go slow and keep your pencil light. Draw the big triangle roof with a point on top. Draw lines straight down through the little attic space in the middle. Draw a line straight across to make the small attic window cross. Draw the left edge of the top floor wall going down. Draw a line across the middle to split the two top windows. Draw the right edge of the top floor wall going down. Draw the other middle line on the right, so the split looks even. Draw a long line down the middle where the door window will sit. Draw a line across to finish the little cross on the door glass. Draw the left side of the lower left window. Draw a line across that window for the glass panes. Draw the right side of the lower right window. Now add a line across the right window for the panes too. Trace the first curved part of the round attic window. Trace the next curved part to keep the attic circle going. Trace more of the round frame so the attic window looks round. Trace the last bit of the round attic window frame. Trace the round window shape on the front door. Add a tiny circle for the yellow doorknob. Draw the tall orange chimney on the right side of the roof. Draw the small flat cap sitting on top of the chimney. Draw the top edge of the big box for the top floor wall. Draw the right edge down to the corner of that box. Draw the bottom edge of the top floor box across the house. Draw the left edge up to close the top floor box. Outline the left top window with soft rounded corners. Outline the right top window with soft rounded corners. Draw the top edge of the big lower yellow wall box. Draw the right edge of the lower wall down to the base. Draw the bottom edge of the lower wall across the front. Draw the left edge to finish the big lower wall box. Draw the wide pink band above the first floor, like a small roof. Draw the thin gray strip at the very bottom for the base. Draw the big green door shape with rounded corners. Trace the full outline of the lower left window. Draw the little flower box under the left window. Trace the full outline of the lower right window. Draw the flower box under the right window, too. Color in the roof with bright pink. Add light blue glass to the little round attic window. Smooth the attic window fill so the blue looks even. Fill the door round window with pale light blue. Color the doorknob dot with yellow gold. Fill the chimney tall part with orange. Add pink red color to the chimney cap on top. Paint the top story wall with sky blue. Fill the left upper window glass light blue. Fill the right upper window glass light blue. Color the whole bottom story wall yellow. Fill the wide pink band above the bottom story. Paint the bottom step strip gray. Fill the door with bright, happy green. Color the left lower window glass light blue. Fill the left window flower box with orange. Color the right lower window glass light blue. Fill the right. You did it! Your house looks cozy and bright, and every part fits together nicely. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Crow Art, for more amazing step-by-step sketch guides.